This is how to change language in Gamma AI. From your dashboard, select your profile icon at the bottom left, then go to Settings, then under the language, you can see here English. Just click it and find your language, for instance, German, and you don't understand apply changes, just click this little button and you have changed your language. And if you want to change the language of a presentation, let's click a Gamma presentation. And for instance, this title, just highlight and you can see here sparkle icon and write a prompt. Say for instance, translate to German and hit enter. So the language of the presentation has been translated to German. So this is how to change language in Gamma AI.